Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
All right, welcome to Jasco Products and CES 2020. My name is Mitchell Davis. I'm the VP of the Connected Home department here, and I'm going to walk you through a little bit about what we've worked on this year and what we're launching here at CES. So you're probably briefly familiar with our Z-Wave Chassis 2.0, where we introduced Quick Fit and Simple Wire. What this does is allows you auto line load detection, 20% smaller back housing, as well as removable break-off tabs and a dual grounding. So it makes installation a lot more simplistic, easier install, and more frustration-free. We've taken that chassis and we've actually moved over to Zigbee now and focused on that. We brought it up to Zigbee 3.0 standards. We've also integrated it where it directly works with the Echo Plus, Echo Show, as well as the Studio. Nice thing about this chassis, with the improvements on it, it makes it a little more simplistic in terms of networking. The structure, the range has improved a little bit further from our original design as well. We also launched an outdoor module now, so the market's been really needed an outdoor module with Zigbee protocol. So we decided, you know what, we'll take a new housing. We made it to where it's a little bit smaller form factor size, so it makes it easier for plugging in electrical cords. So if you have the larger outdoor style rated cords, they're easier to plug into. We also came out with a in-wall receptacle. So the receptacle allows you nice for networking or other areas within the house that you don't have to worry about a plug-in module coming to unplug down a hallway or something like that. It has one controlled outlet and then one always-on outlet, so you don't have to worry about if you're trying to plug in appliances or something else to it. It's always going to be powered on the upper one. So these are available starting late Q1, so meaning around the March, April timeframe. You'll see those launched in the market and available for sale. Moving over to Z-Wave a little bit. This year, end of this quarter, we're also going to launch our portable scene and hub remotes. These are great. The nice thing about this is completely scalable. So if you want to start with a single remote and a module, you can. Like the solution, you don't have to have it connected at all. The remote itself talks to the module, so you can turn it on, off, or dim. They're great for holiday season, so if you wanted to do your Christmas tree or holiday lighting outdoors, you can do that and do it with a single remote and plug-in modules. The nice thing is the remote pretty much works with all our lighting devices as well as fan control. It's completely scalable in terms of you can also enroll it with your hub. So it works out of the box where it sends the network information, and now you would pair it with the lighting. So think about by your bed stand where you could do an individual light and individual fan, multiple scenes on each of those, and you can adjust them independently. So really nice features that we're coming out with this year. Also, we're introducing a slim window door sensor, as well as a flood-free sensor as well. So think about water leaks. A lot of times around your hot water heaters, things like that, around the sinks, being able to put that and know that, hey, if I have a leak or something, and be able to monitor that similar to what you would do with your security lighting as well.
2020, my name is Jason Trice. I'm with Jasco Products. We are a licensee of GE and Honeywell and Energizer and Disney, Philips, and a number of great brands, in addition to several of our own brands like Brighton and Eco Survivor and My Touch Smart. We are super excited to be launching our Give Your Way campaign. Jasco's always been a generous company. We started tithing off of corporate profits in the 1990s and have been giving a full 50% of company profits to charities and ministries since 2008. And so our pledge is that we're going to continue to do that. But we're doing something different with the Give Your Way campaign. We're allowing consumers that have always been making all of this possible to have an input on where their dollars go with the Give Your campaign. So we're highlighting 4 causes. Clean water is an issue that affects over 2 billion people, that they don't have clean water, and over 2 million people needlessly die. And this is a problem that we together through sustainable local entrepreneurs can solve. Food. Right here in the United States, in every city, we have homeless populations, and even people that have homes and go to schools are undernourished, and there's great opportunities with local regional food banks to partner with them to provide nourishment so that kids and families can have all the nourishment that they need. Shelter is another great example. We've got huge homeless populations in nearly every city of America. How do we provide sustainable solution? And then disaster relief. When earthquakes, tornadoes, and hurricanes strike, we want to be there to serve the communities that have served us so well and give back and meet the needs of the consumers and communities in those places. So we've got some specific charity partners that we're super honored to partner with to address the causes of food, water, shelter, and disaster relief. Water4 is a local organization in Oklahoma. We're really good at getting things out of the ground in the oil country, but they've applied their resources to figure out how to get water out of the ground in lesser developed countries that lack access to clean water. The solution is typically less than 100 feet under their ground. They're operating in 15 countries with a sustainable solution that empowers local people to be their own solution to the water crisis. Habitat for Humanity, I'm sure you're familiar with, is providing low-cost, sustainable housing to address the homeless solution. Convoy of Hope is a great faith-based organization that does a ton of things. In addition to disaster relief, and Food for the Hungry is another great faith-based nonprofit that is providing food solutions in America and around the world, and we are super honored to partner with these charity partners as part of the Give Your Way campaign. Everything you buy, regardless of their brand, during checkout you can select one of the 4 causes to direct where your portion of the profits goes, and we'll be rolling that out on our retail packaging later this year, so that even if you buy it at one of our major retail partners, you can find our products in virtually every retailer in America. You can go online, register your product, and select where you'd like to go. If you'd like to learn more about our Give Your Way campaign, you can simply go to giveyourway.com. Thank you, and see you at the show.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.